Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you need
Hello guys, the easiest way to go about getting these braids, you can just buy the attachment. If you know you are not good in making a neat braid like this, a long braid like this, just take it to the market. You can give them, I don't know where you are, whether you are, if you are in a different country, $3, $4, take it to the salon. They would weave it for you. But in Nigeria, like 500 naira, they are going to weave it for you, and you just have it already made. So anytime you want to use these braids round the hair, you just bring it out and use. When you are done, you bring it out. It will just be there for you. Anytime you want it, you just go and use it from your where you kept it. So that's how to go about it. So don't be scared about weaving it. Just buy the attachment, take it to the salon. They will do already made braids for you. So when you want to style your bridal hair, you just go, and it will be very, very fast. You don't need to get to the place and start weaving hair or start doing that. No, no, no. Hello lovelies, if this video was very helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're visiting us for the first time, my name is Chimikova. For the first time, my name is Chimikova, that Igbo girl that wins everything. So guys, join the Chimikova family and you would enjoy every bit of what we have for you here. So guys, just catch fun.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you